Families in Rutherford and Bedford counties will be out again today cleaning up after an EF1 tornado. And during this time when some are looking for easy and affordable repairs, unfortunately others are hoping to test their luck just to make a quick buck. Our Amelia Young looking out for your money with more on how to keep your wallet safe here this morning, because unfortunately, Amelia, it seems like in this area we see this time and time again where scammers try to come out and take advantage of people.
Yeah, Ben, unfortunately, those are something that's going to happen over the next day, week, or months in these areas affected. Folks going door to door, really just trying, like you said, to take advantage of a really vulnerable situation that some of these families are in if they need a lot of work done. Now, there's a lot of great local contractors here in our area. Unfortunately, these scammers, they are just posing as some of these great ones and do not have a homeowner's best interest in mind. So really, these so-called bad guys, they want to take the money sometimes and not even show up if they're coming to your door offering you something too good to be true. Sometimes, though, they do show up trying to do that work, and they do shoddy work that's not up to code, and then you can end up with a lot of problems later. AAA says there are typically a lot of red flags that give away their scheme, like if they ask you to pay in full up front or discourage you from contacting your insurance company to ask any questions about these contract workers. They also may offer up a contract with a lot of blanks on it, maybe not an estimate finish date or something like that, just trying to pressure you to sign. AAA says the best way to know hiring someone reliable, you can ask for their insurance company and local references. You, of course, will have to do some homework with this by checking these sources, but it really could save you a lot of time and money in the end. Another good tip, just make sure to get a couple quotes. If someone's coming to your door offering you something and it seems a little bit too good to be true, we say it all the time, it typically is. So again, a lot of good contractors out there. We just want to make sure you're covered with the right one.